Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by extracting the QR payload now. Open a reliable scanner app. Point steady until it reads. Once it decodes, copy the exact content. That raw string is what you will convert to a link. If the QR contains a vCard or multi-line text, export or copy as a single file or plain text entry. Make sure to note whether the payload already includes HTTP or HTTPS, because that changes the conversion method you will use in the next step. Now you convert that payload into a usable link. If the payload is plain text, create a small hosted file and upload it to your server, then copy the file URL. If you need a clean, shareable address, set up a 301 redirect on your domain or use a shortener to avoid long query strings. For inline small content, generate a data URI, but understand that long payloads may exceed browser limits, so host externally when necessary. Before proceeding to regenerate, finish by creating a new QR that embeds your final URL. Use a quality generator and set error correction to a suitable level. Test scanning with 3 different devices and camera apps to confirm it resolves correctly. Once done, ensure printed or displayed QR retains contrast, quiet zone, and a recommended minimum of 300px for digital use. If something goes wrong, check for incorrectly encoded characters, overly long URLs, or a generator that inserted spaces. Those are common causes of.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.